What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add live chat to your Wix website. As you can see, I'm on my Wix dashboard and these are the websites that I was working on. And now you want to select the website that you want to add the live chat to. Let's say this one, the How To Simple. Now what you want to do is to click on the site itself to open its dashboard. And now you want to install an app that will enable the live chat functionalities. Now go to apps here and then click on App Market. And here search for Wix Chat. And here it is, click on it. It's installed right now. Click on Open. And here you want to edit the settings. So you can edit the chat hours here, those are the hours that the live chat or the chat agent is available. And you want to edit the times as you want, and you can add times for a certain day. Let's say for Friday I'm available from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then I'll take a break from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and I'm available again from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So I'm available from 8, let's say 8:20 till 10 p.m. Okay, and here you can edit the chat form here. Choose from fields. You can name, email is selected by default. You can add a phone number and message here for the client to add the information, and then set offline form if you want to here, and set online form, and then you can add buttons here, FAQ buttons, and edit the sender, add the sender identity here for business, collaborator profiles, and or no sender ID. And once you are happy with your setting, just save the changes. And now your chat will be live on your Wix website.